Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. So today we will be talking about how to fix Vrbo booking request declined. So to fix this issue, you can start by contacting the host. Use the Vrbo messaging system to ask why the request was declined. If it was a mistake or system error, ask the host to send a new pre-approval. Now the next what you can do is, if the payment was declined, check that your credit card has enough funds and hasn't expired, and that the billing address is correct. Now the next what you can do is request for a new pre-approval. If the decline was for a technical reason, a new pre-approval can be sent to you which remains active for 72 hours. Check for availability. The host might have booked the spot to someone else already, as they often list on multiple platforms. Now wait for sync issues. Sometimes a host's calendar does not update immediately. It may be worth waiting an hour and trying again, or asking the host to manually block the dates. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.